What if I told you there's a place where time slows down, where modern chaos fades and life returns to its purest form? Hidden deep in Iran's villages, a different world exists, untouched, unseen, and unforgettable. In the heart of Iran's villages, life moves with nature's rhythm. At sunrise, farmers walk through terraced fields, carrying generations of wisdom. Mud brick homes stand strong, echoing history. Far from the noise of modern cities, Iran's villages whisper stories of a life many have forgotten. Here, mornings begin with the call of nature, not alarms. Children run freely through dusty paths, while elders sit under ancient trees, carrying centuries of tradition in their words. Every meal is made with care, every smile is genuine. In these quiet corners, life isn't rushed. It's lived deeply, where simplicity becomes beauty, and every moment feels real. Beyond the highways and crowded cities, Iran's villages reveal a hidden soul of the country. As golden sunlight touches the mountains, life awakens with purpose and peace. Women weave stories into carpets, men shape the land with their hands, and children grow up surrounded by culture, not screens. Nights fall under skies full of stars, where silence speaks louder than noise. In these villages, life isn't about having more. It's about feeling more, living closer, and staying rooted in what truly matters. In places the world rarely sees, Iran's villages hold a quiet magic. Narrow paths lead to homes built with love and history, where every wall has a story to tell. The air is filled with the scent of fresh bread and earth after rain. People greet each other like family, not strangers. Time doesn't chase anyone here. It walks beside them. In this simple life, there is a richness that no city can offer, a peace that feels almost forgotten. There's a hidden rhythm in Iran's villages that the world rarely understands. It's not just life, it's a legacy breathing through every corner. Ancient qanats quietly carry water beneath the earth, a genius of survival from centuries ago. The wind sings through clay homes, and the land remembers every step of those who came before. Here, people don't just live, they belong. In this untouched world, simplicity becomes something rare, something powerful, something the modern world has forgotten. There's a hidden rhythm in Iran's villages that the world rarely understands. It's not just life, it's a legacy breathing through every corner. Ancient qanats quietly carry water beneath the earth, a genius of survival from centuries ago. The wind sings through clay homes, and the land remembers every step of those who came before. Here, people don't just live, they belong. In this untouched world, simplicity becomes something rare, something powerful, something the modern world has forgotten. What if the real world isn't in cities, but hidden where few ever look? In Iran's remote villages, life unfolds like an ancient story still being written. Unique traditions live on in every detail, from hand-dug water systems to homes shaped by the earth itself. The silence isn't empty, it's alive with meaning. Every sunset feels like a painting, every moment like a memory. This isn't just a place, it's a feeling, a rare glimpse into a world that refuses to fade. Somewhere between mountains and silence, Iran's villages exist like a secret the world forgot to uncover. Here, time doesn't pass, it lingers. Doors remain open, hearts even more so. Underground qanats still breathe life into dry lands, a hidden network older than empires. Nights glow not with electricity, but with stars untouched by pollution. Every corner holds a story, every face carries history. This isn't just village life, it's a living memory of humanity, quietly surviving beyond the modern world. Not everything powerful is loud. In Iran's hidden villages, strength lives in silence. Here, life is shaped by wind, earth, and time itself. Unique underground water channels still flow beneath the soil, unseen yet essential. People don't chase the future, they honor the past while living fully in the present. Even the air feels different, carrying stories instead of noise. In a world obsessed with speed, these villages remind us of something rare. how to truly live, not just exist. But look closer. This stillness is alive. Wind-carved homes stand against centuries, and ancient qanats silently deliver water through the earth, a rare human innovation still breathing today. Here, people measure life in moments, not minutes. Laughter echoes without screens, and nights unfold under infinite stars. It's not just a place, it's a forgotten rhythm of life, quietly proving that simplicity holds the deepest power. There are places where the past doesn't disappear. It lives, breathes, and shapes every moment. Iran's villages are not just settlements, they are living archives of human survival. Beneath the ground, ancient qanats still whisper water through dry lands, an unseen lifeline built centuries ago. Above, life unfolds with quiet purpose, untouched by digital noise. Here, people don't follow time, they flow with it. In this rare world, simplicity isn't lack. It's a powerful, forgotten form of richness. Deep within Iran's remote landscapes, villages exist like living poetry. The walls are shaped by earth, yet they hold unshakable strength. Unique wind catchers rise above rooftops, cooling homes without machines, a quiet genius of the past. Life flows gently here, guided by seasons, not schedules. Faces reflect patience, not pressure. In a world chasing noise and speed, these villages protect something rare, a calm, ancient wisdom that still whispers how life was meant to be lived. In Iran's farthest villages, life feels almost untouched by the modern world. Paths of dust lead to homes carved from earth, blending into the land itself. Unique traditions live in everyday moments, bread baked by hand, stories passed without books, and skills learned without schools. The wind carries echoes of generations, and every sunrise feels earned, not rushed. This is a place where life is not controlled by time, but shaped by it, raw, real, and deeply human. Where the desert meets the mountains, Iran's villages hold a rare kind of truth. Homes rise from clay, as if the earth itself decided to shelter its people. Unique ice houses, yakhchals, once stored ice in burning heat, a forgotten brilliance of survival. Days move with purpose, not pressure, and nights fall into a silence so deep it feels alive. Here, life isn't built on convenience, but on connection, a powerful reminder of what humanity once was. In the end, Iran's villages are more than places. They are a quiet reminder of what the world is losing. Where life is slower, but hearts are fuller. Where less feels like more, and silence speaks louder than noise. As the modern world rushes forward, these hidden corners stand still, protecting a way of life built on connection, resilience, and meaning. Maybe the real question isn't what they lack, but what we've forgotten along the way.